Tanaka from grade 6. Next is candidate number 10. Number 10, Maria Montelicano from grade 4. And we still have last 3. Candidate number 9. Princess Joy Ann. And last 2, we have candidate number Lucky 7. Nicole G. Nicole Gordon from grade 6. And candidate joining the top 5 is candidate number 4. Patricia Pakipi from grade 1. So grade 6, grade 6, grade 5, and grade 1. Congratulations. So, girls, thank you, beautiful girls. Pwede na haras nanay. Reminder to the audience that the score for the question and answer will be back to 0. So, girls, pick a number and you're going to be asked by the consulted judge. We have this. We have judge number 3. Yes. Sir, we have
kung makakita wallet, kag ang wallet hindi mo, ano ang hinumon mo? Dalawa, kung makakita ka wallet na hindi mo, ano ang hinumon mo?
Again, from the picture. Give me the picture.
Thank you very much, Patricia Pakipi from grade 1. Dumakit ako sa audience kung pinakulbaalis. I can feel the nervous around. Grade 1 pa lang na. Oh, grade 5 and grade 6. Next, candidate number 7, Gina Nicole Gordon. Pick your number corresponding to your child. Yes, sir. Judge number 1.
The question is, how can you be a good student? Or paano ka maayong na estudyante?
Batindaan. Hi. What's your name? Again? Oh, okay. So my question is, how or what are we gonna do to preserve our environment? What can you do to preserve our environment? To preserve.
To preserve our environment is I'm going to do is I want to create a biodegradable environment na hindi masunod, magulog, at masunod. Ang basura po makita ang sigbit then in the
Thank you, Celia Pangilinan. Celia Pangilinan is a faculty member of Handumanan National High School. Mimi Tanaka from grade 3. Judge number 3. Yes, our judge number 3 again, Sir Joy Pasaya. Department Head of Filipino, Handumanan National High School.
Good afternoon. Pagkain maayos is in Philippines. Ano-ano mga gawain bahay na nakatulong ang isang bata sa kanyang mga magulang? Ano-ano ang mga gawain bahay na nakatulong ang isang bata?
Ang masasabi na kahit silang bata ay paglilinis ng bahay, pagsusunod sa magulang, at mag-aral ng mabuti. Thank you very much, Mike, Dr. Delegate, for the answers. Then thank you also, Sir Joseph, for giving us questions for Dr. Delegate. Okay.